Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back, working already in the cold after me being away for 10 days in the sunshine. That's what we've got, and I'm going to show you what came when I was away. So let me show you around. Right guys, we've got this lorry here which I showed you earlier. This post is damaged and in a bit, and this door is overlapping. I'm not going to show you because it's still got some decals on, and I'm just in the process of taking this cab off. But this chassis is 20mm up on one side, so I'm not sure what. Well, I know what happened. It was going on the slip road and hit the truck going past, and it must have bent something because that chassis is 20mm up. Like I said, I already measured. We've got a Renault Lorry here. Jason is just preparing for the MOT. This stuff here in the workshop, you've seen that before. Basically no bits arrive till now to finish this job up, so we can't really do it. Actually struggling for this, for them parts for this truck, to be honest. Not sure why, but the manufacturer is just struggling for parts. We're still waiting for the shock absorber and filter box, door extension. Yeah, there's lots of bits there, and I've got exciting stuff outside, so let me show you outside. Right guys, we've got 4 Scanias here, actually 4 of them, and I'm going to start with the least damaged one, to be honest, because the big one is going to be on the end, which is well smashed. So let me show you this one first. Just look at it. I'm not going to show you more because there's a number plate there and a sticker still on the door, but just look at this. Now actually I think the wheel is pushed back, to be honest, and that cross member had a hit there. I wonder if that chassis will be bent. See, it's well bent. All that corner definitely destroyed. Air dryer, the pipes. Oh, I mean that's the nightmare job that is. Lots of pipes to sort it out. I mean, you couldn't hit in the other corner. If you hit the other corner, it won't be too bad, but I don't like these corners because they've got lots of stuff on them. Apart of that, I'm going to show you more. That door is overlapping. Yeah, that door is well smashed in. That corner pod, yeah, that corner pod is dented, and that door is pushed back. It's still got decals on, so that's why I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to show you more because it's got decals on. It's just a shame because someone parked this blue lorry next to it, and I can't really take an angle, but the axle is definitely bent. No, not definitely, but it looks to me like it's pushed back. Apart of that, bit of a dent on there. It's hard to tell, to be honest, from this angle, but that's well smashed in. So let me show you the other one now. Just look at this, guys. This one there is 2021, so a year old. Just look at this. Nice. I love them when they come in like that, to be honest, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That door, the side panel here. Oh, that's gonna be a lovely job. That's gonna be a lovely job, that is. And that corner even more destroyed. All the pipes, that chassis, I mean, it's actually ripped it off there. That hanger for that front bar is being actually ripped off the chassis. Oh, the cast. Oh, I'm not sure if. Well, let's hope we're gonna get fixed. But just look at it. I mean, that axle is definitely pushed back. Yeah, definitely pushed back because it's sitting on the batteries nearly. That tank destroyed. What about the back of the cab? No, the back of the cab looks alright. The part of this side panel looks bent. Holy moly, that's gonna be some job. Yeah, and that chassis definitely bent and ripped. Holy smoke. The pipes again, cap ram, all destroyed. Intercooler, yeah, so it's all gonna be in it. The rads and everything. Let's have a look this side. Oh, don't look too bad this side. Yeah, that's it. That's the big job, guys. That is. Let's hope we're gonna go ahead. But surprise, haven't damaged the engine and the sump. But just look at it. I gotta put it on. Just look at it. The sump. I'm not sure if the sump is knackered or not. All that being smashed. Well, holy moly. Yeah, that's gonna take some fixing. The axle definitely slid back underneath the exhaust, AdBlue tank, whatever is under there. Pretty much, yeah. You can see the axle slid back on there. That's where it was, I think. Right, holy smoke. That's gonna take some fixing. Yeah, and let's go to the next one. Just look at this. There's another one. This is 16 reg. I think this one's gonna be a right of 66 reg. I mean, the chassis. I think the chassis, by looking at this bar, the chassis should be bent. To be honest, I haven't seen one without. Well, with this bent like that and chassis not bent. Man, this axle is definitely back, but it's just getting old. Wonder if we're gonna get it fixed or not, but it's hard to tell. Well, that's well smashed, isn't it? Holy moly. Right, nice. So that's the 1, 2. Yeah, there's the 3 there. But that is some damage to this one, isn't it? We're going MI in here, which we're gonna just I'm not sure what's on a little bit, but this, holy smoke, this is some kind of, I mean, this must be like a 2 feet back. That's well smashed up. And let's go check the worst one. Right, guys, that's another one. It decided to rain as usual. Just look at this. Cab corner destroyed. Tank or exhaust, that's not going to be cheap. I think the tanks, there's exhaust like a 6 or 9 grand just for the exhaust. Just look at it. Well smashed. Even the top roof deflector is all smashed up. Holy smoke, it's got a hole in the front. Holy crap. Yeah, that's the cross member chassis, definitely bent on this one. Holy smoke. Don't look too bad. It must be just and on this side. Oh, holy smoke, I should say. Again, the pipes, corner, the wheel. What the heck happened to this? I mean, it's everywhere, all the way around. Yeah, the tire's gone. Holy, even that exhaust, tank. Yeah, beautiful. That tank, even that wheel probably from chain pulling it out. But even the mudguard ripped off. But the cab, holy smoke. Beautiful. Yeah, hopefully we're going to fix this. Is 69, right? So how old is that? 69. I lost counting now, to be honest. Oh, nearly fell over. That's kind of 69 reg. Yeah, 2019, isn't it? 2020, 2019. Let's hope it's not too old, but it looks like the cab is fixing. Yeah, let's hope we're gonna go ahead with them jobs, to be honest, because I'm looking forward to fix this one. Yeah, that'd be nice. Side panel, new back. Oh, lovely. Jigging job on the jig, put in and pull in. That would be lovely. But holy moly. Yeah, the driver's been busy over the Christmas period, to be honest. Guys, I'm not sure what's that on the camera flicking around. Let me check. Fixed it all. A bit of a flare on my camera when I was wiping the rain off it. Yeah, let's hope we're gonna fix it all, because that's a lot of, yeah, that will take us to like nearly half of the 2023 if I'm gonna fix them 4 or 5 trucks. and especially that DAF what I'm doing now. I'm going to take the cab off, and you're probably going to see a few weeks after this or week after this. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but we're going to take the cab off of that DAF what I'm doing, that silvery burgundy one. But just look at this, holy smoke. Right guys, I think you've seen it enough. Yeah, I quite like it when I'm coming back from Christmas break. Actually, when I was on the holiday in Tenerife, the guys sent me a few pictures and the photos of them trucks, which I was looking forward to get stuck into them. But some of them might be a bit too big jobs. Or fingers crossed. Right guys, all that being said, thank you guys for watching, and fingers crossed we're going to fix them all, and see you on the next one.